We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Global alert. Global alert. Global alert. The end is nigh. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Please pay very close attention, as it is an extinction level event. The United Nations has reported of the Antarctica alarm is breaking our beautiful planet Earth, and the Antarctica EAS alarm can break the Earth in seconds. Half of the Earth has been destroyed. The Antarctica EAS alarm is really loud. That this alarm can leave your ears in seconds, it might kill you. The alarm is very dangerous, and should not be approached. There is nothing we can do to stop this EAS alarm. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. If you want to, gather your loved ones, and pray your final moments together. We will now play the national anthem one last time. This is the final activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless America, and may God help us all.
So proudly we